beach.
What it do, what's up, what's going on, guys? What's happening? I'm back with another video, but guess what we're doing today? We're gonna be talking about 5 things I dislike about this car right here, this 2009 Nissan Maxima. So this is my car. I've had it for about 7 years. This is my baby. I treat her well, and sometimes I treat her bad, but she still loves me. She still loves me. She's still hanging in there. You can see I got the big brakes, solid rotors, a whole like a body kit, if that's what you want to call it. But we're just gonna get right into it. And the first thing I'm going to say that I dislike about this car is the CVT. So if you guys don't know, this car is automatic. It does come with a CVT. The CVT is a continuously variable transmission. I think that's what you call it. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. But so they rev and they bind. Just stay up revving like the whole time. They don't shift. They don't have gears. It's literally just like one gear, and it like just speeds up. It's not bad for like comfortable or whatever, but this car being sporty and having power, that's not what you want in this type of car. You want to go fast. If you want to go fast, you can go fast, you know, without having to worry about the CVT. But once it starts aging, that's the problem. It starts whining. It can break. All right, I had to come in the car for a little bit. It's like super hot outside. All you want is either a 6-speed, or even people who don't want a 6-speed, like a transmission with gears. So that's the thing. The first thing I don't like about this car is the transmission. Item number 2. We're not gonna stay in here forever, but item number 2, I have to tell you because it's inside the car. If you guys can already tell, have you seen it? Can you see it? So the second thing I don't like about this car is that when it ages, this is what happens to the dash. So once it ages, this will start happening. It starts cracking, you know, like up here, right here. Let me see, like around here. So, and I'm not the only one that have had this problem. Some people get lucky and it doesn't happen to them, but others are not as lucky and it actually does happen. Oh, my car was in freaking drive. Some people get lucky and they don't have a cracked dashboard. This one does, and I literally use the sunshade every single day, and this car sleeps in a garage as well. And when it's outside, I put the sunshade, but it still cracks. Like, it shouldn't even crack, you know. We don't put our feet up in the dash, we don't do nothing like that, and it still cracks. It is soft touch, but we're gonna do something with this anyway with the dash, because I just don't like it, especially that side. That side is horrible, but I just don't want it to stay like this. But that's the second thing about this car, is the cracked dash. All right, now we're going to the third thing. So this is my engine. Of course, my motor. I have an intake. I have some coilovers. This car is modded. The third thing that I don't like about this car, that I dislike about it, is the ability to work on the car when you have to work on it. All right, buddy, come on. We already know. It's like when you have to work on it, you have to struggle. For example, I had to change my alternator, which is all the way down there. And to change it, I took it out through here. I had to like dismantle everything here, took out the fan and everything like that. But if not, you have to go through the AC compressor, take that out just to get to the alternator. Same thing when you're gonna change there's spark plugs in here or in the front, and then they have it in the back. So when you're gonna change it, you gotta take off the manifold. So you gotta take all that off. So whatever you have to do, you have to like dismantle almost half of the engine to be able to do it. And then the hands don't fit back here. It's crazy. Like everything else pretty much good to work on, but just the tight space in the engine bay. You know, taking things out like that, that's what I don't like that, you know. I mean, it is a V6, it is a transverse mounted engine, so of course, I mean, the 370Z, the 350Z, they also don't have as much space. If you're gonna put a turbo on it, you gotta put a turbo in the back of the 350 or the 370, because you don't have space in the front. I mean, with this one, you can put a turbo right there where the battery is. But yeah, that's another thing that I dislike about this car. You have to go through a lot to just do a couple things. So I'm just gonna close this real quick and we're gonna go on to the next one. All right, we're back in the car. We're closing the door. It has a nice thump to it, so it's pretty good, still good. I don't know. Anyways, so I said a third. The fourth thing I don't like about this car is, guess what, guys? I mean, it's 2009. This is a 2009 car. Unfortunately, we didn't get this, but the 2011 or 12 did come with this, but this one didn't, which is Bluetooth. I don't freaking have, this car does not stream Bluetooth. Like, I have navigation, which is like outdated. I have like, you know, information stuff, fuel economy, like my phone, whatever. Oh, it has Bluetooth, but only to talk through the phone. But I can't play music through the system. That's another thing. Like, what? Like, you should have Bluetooth on the car. It's not a 2003, 2004 that has to have, like, you know, at least I have CD. It does come with a hard drive, but we don't use CDs anymore. I did solve it though. I do have my Bluetooth thingy-majigger. So there's my Bluetooth streamer. So it connects to the car. So yeah, I connect my phone to this, and then this connects to, I guess, the phone. Oh no, the audio jack. It does turn on and off. When the car turns on, it turns on. When the car is off, it'll turn off. And it has this little blue light right here. So I mean, it's pretty handy. I like it. It has good sound quality and everything. But, you know, we shouldn't have to go through this. We should just have Bluetooth built into the car, because either way, you put it into a later car. So you should have done that from the get-go. You know, you got me? You feel me? Enough about that. I already fixed the issue. I already have my Bluetooth, my streaming, whatever. The last thing I dislike about this car is no USB. Why do I even care about the USB? Because this car up here doesn't have, I got free fries. So this car up here does not have enough of these thingies, like the what is it, a cigarette lighter, right? So I have my lights that you can see here connected here. I have my radar detector connected here, and then I forgot what this was for. This is for something. I forgot what this was connected for, but that's it. And then you have one in here, but the one in here is constantly on. So they should, and then to charge my phone, I literally have to have it connected inside here the whole time, or if not, I have to disconnect something from here. So they literally, you see this right here? If your car didn't come with the rear window shade thing, whatever, then they should just put USB in here. So how hard it is to put a USB in here. I mean, I guess that came like, what, 10 years later or something like that. But oh, if you guys didn't know, let me get this out of the way. If you guys didn't know, which I'll probably do later on, here you can actually put USB. You can take this off, get 2 USB ports, and then you connect it. I forget to what, but you can start connecting your stuff through here. So if it's empty, you can use it, guys. But yeah, it was just a quick video of these things that not annoy me, because I have the car for 7 years. I already learned how to deal with it. I mean, the CVT is not that bad. You know, if you like just want to like cruise around, you know, whatever, save gas, just chill. For older people and people just want to chill, like it's pretty cool. Keep up to date. It'll last you a while. This car is still on the original CVT, and this car has a pretty good amount of miles. Listen, see, it just keeps it constant, you know, that's the thing. But guys, honestly, it's still a good car. I'm just being like very, very picky with everything I just said. But honestly, like the whole USB, the whole cigarette lighter thing, the connection, everything, it's really nothing major. It's just like the littlest thing. I mean, I had to pick on that because I have nothing else to pick on. It's like a great car. It's comfortable, it rides well, it's smooth, it's everything. It's held together so far. But it's just like these little things that, you know, I thought I could mention to you guys. Like, for example, the USB that you can actually put into the car. I saw on the forum several people actually put it on, so But yeah, guys, just me being like very, very picky with it. But honestly, it's a great car. If you guys want to buy it, I suggest you do. Literally, I just wish it was 6-speed, but that's about it. Everything else is pretty good. That's it, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. Just remember, guys, so as soon as we get 2,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway of a front lip or a rear diffuser. But as for now, I'm going to catch you guys later. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you. Peace.
Hey.